Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight I'm going to be prepping the roof for some paint. Okay, first thing I gotta do is remove the rear spoiler, and I gotta remove the roof rack. After I get that done, I'm just going to do some light sanding on the roof, and then I'm going to get it prepared to put this on. Okay, I got something special I'm going to be adding in to this, and you'll have to stay tuned to check that out. So let's get started. Remember guys to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell at the bottom to receive notifications. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I got the first two coats on, just letting it dry, and then I'm going to do a wet sand on it. There's obviously some blemishes I gotta sand out. Got a little bit right there. It looks like there's orange peel on it. That's not actually orange peel, that's the textured finish I had below it. What I'm gonna wind up doing though, I'm not too thrilled about that textured finish right now. So I think what I'm gonna do is sand it down to where this, these two coats smooth into that black textured finish, and then the next two coats will be a little bit more smooth. Now I know it looks blotchy, but this is flat paint, so once it dries, it's gonna have a smooth texture to it. Okay. And then once I wet sand it, it'll have even better texture to it, and then I'll put the last two coats on it. So let's go ahead and let this thing dry, and then I'll put 2 more coats on. Alright guys, so I got some of the templates laid out on the car. Just gotta tape them off. Get ready to paint those areas red. Once the paint dries, I'll put these templates back down and then do the rest of the detail. So it's gonna have a nice stripe down the center, red, and then those 2 little patches will be red. So let me get them taped off and get that started. Alright guys, so now that I got it all masked off, it's time to remove the templates and put a couple coats in those areas. So let's go ahead and get you guys on the tripod and start removing those things and paint it. All right. Alright guys, so I got the stripe on, just letting it dry. I'm going to do a sanding on this, and then I'll tape it off one more time, put one more coat of the red on that section, and then I'll start all the detail. As always guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell at the bottom for upcoming notifications. Alright, let's get her done.